So welcome back everybody. In the last lecture we have installed Java on our system, and I also showed you guys how to check the version of Java on your system. In this lecture we are gonna install Notepad++. Notepad++ is a text editor in which you can write codes for many programming languages. It has more features compared to a native Notepad which is installed on our Windows. So let us install Notepad++ on our Windows system. So go to your Chrome browser and type download Notepad++ for Windows. Click on the first link of the Notepad++. It will open the home page of Notepad++. Click on the download button and the Notepad installer will start downloading. It will take some time to download. Okay, so Notepad++ installer is downloaded on my system. So I'm going to click on the Notepad installer, and it's going to start the installation process. Select the language as English. Click next. I agree. Next. Next. Just create a shortcut on the desktop. Install it. So it's going to take around a minute or so to complete the installation. It has completed the installation now. Just run the Notepad++ now. So this is the home screen of Notepad++, and this is how as you see that there are a lot of languages that we can support or write in Notepad++. Like we can write in C, C#, C++, we can write in Java, JavaScript. So we will be writing our very first Java program in Notepad++. Okay, I hope you guys were able to install Notepad++ on your system. If you have found any issues, you can just write a message on the dashboard and I will get back to you. If you have time, you can move on to the next lecture where we are going to write our very first Java program on Notepad++. See you guys then. Bye.